All right, question number 8, let's get right into it. So we have if the function f is defined by f of x equals the natural log of x divided by x squared minus 1 for all positive numbers x, except x equals 1, and if f of 1 equals a, for what value of a is f continuous at x equals 1? Okay, guys, so I really like this problem. So let's kind of break it down for a second. If x equals 1, what happens? Well, f of 1, we are going to get the natural log of 1. And again, guys, log x without a base is just, you can assume natural log. 1 squared minus 1. So we are going to get a divide by 0 error, and we cannot have that. So basically what we have here, and if you actually graph it out, now you're not going to have a graphing calculator. This I don't think you will. Yeah, I don't think you have a graphing calculator in this one. If you graph it out, basically what's going to happen is you're going to have this nice continuous function, except for one point, and that is when x equals 1. So you're going to have this, this hole right there. Now, what we need to figure out is, okay, what is the value? So whenever x equals 1, what is the y value? In this case, what is a if I fill in that hole with an actual point? So the way that we're going to figure this out is we're going to do some calculus. So we're going to have to ask the question, okay, what is the value when this function right here, whenever x gets really close to 1? So whenever x approaches 1, so we're actually going to have to use a limit. So we will do the limit as x approaches 1 for my function here. So I will do, yeah, I'll do natural log of x over x squared minus 1. Okay, so now whenever you plug in x, you're actually going to get 0 over 0, which is an indeterminate form. And because we have this indeterminate form, we can use L'Hopital's rule. So let's just go ahead and do it. So remember, we'll have to take the derivative of both the top and the bottom. So whenever I do that and I rewrite it, I'm going to have 1 over x divided by 2x. Now, this is just going to be equal to the limit as x approaches 1 for 1 over 2x squared. And now I can just plug in x equals 1. So this is going to be equal to 1/2. And let's see, that's going to be answer choice B. All right, guys, that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'll see you in the next video.